Hello, beautiful souls. I know it's been a while. And I know some of you know that I've been on a self-love healing journey. I've been through a massive transformation that happened in June. I am here to share with you these moving pictures of some of the most amazing things that I have witnessed. I never truly knew how healing it was to be in nature until I spent several days out of self-service where there was no electric currents. There was no power, no nothing, no cell service. Just me with my thoughts, connecting to nature. I was truly forced to be with my thoughts and to connect to everything around me. Nature heals, but it heals much better without all the noise. We often go to the parks nearby us and they have big trees and maybe a river and many people, and we feel we're connecting with nature, but there's so much noise still. There's something to be said when you are in complete silence from technology and completely connected to nature. Have you ever sat in the forest and listened to the sounds? The leaves in the breeze, birds singing, the sound that water makes as it hits the rocks. Pure joy. While I was in nature, I learned to embrace my inner child. I started picking up rocks and bouncing from rock to rock, whistling and talking with the birds, splashing in the water, walking across giant logs. I even covered my arms in river mud because it was just fun. I looked at everything with a new childlike innocence. But what came up to me is sadness, that we are programmed in society to lose that playfulness that comes natural to us humans. I had to experience it to understand what that truly meant. And so now I'm here sharing with you some of the most amazing images that I have taken. I believe that there's healing energy as you sit and listen to my voice, as well as taking in all the images. So with that being said, I would love for you to take a really deep breath and breathe in all the healing energy that comes from these moving images, and take the moment to connect with your inner child. Imagine her before you. Imagine her watching. You can turn off the sound and watch the video again, and then ask yourself, what do I feel with every image? What would I do if I was in the image? And imagine yourself being the one that was there witnessing all the imagery from your very own eyes. I will come back with more if this interests you. I will be coming back to do Reiki videos eventually. In this moment, I really truly wanted to share the images that have helped me heal, to help me see myself, to help me embrace my inner child. I want you to know that you are loved and you are enough. I send you so much love, truly, from the bottom of my heart. Namaste.